Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, we are going to do something quite a bit different. Yes, in today's video, we are going to learn the recipe of the English language. As you can see that I have some ingredients here. So today I'll be telling you that how's English language been formed. So if you are an English student and you want to learn why do we have exceptions and deviations to English spelling rules, why sometimes the rules work and sometimes they don't, so this video is right for you. Now without any further ado, let's dive in. So, dear students, please remember one thing, that English is an old language. It hasn't been the same since the beginning. Now, please suppose that this is the pure English language, and now I'll show you how it started to evolve. These are some other nations with their own languages. This is the Romans. They were the first to invade the English lands. When they came, they brought their language with them. The language that they used was Latin, so now Latin has become a part of English. Let's give it a mix. Now Latin and English are together. English has absorbed the words from the Latin language. Now after the Roman invasion, there was some Germanic migration, which means that the Germans came to the English people's land. Suppose this is the German language and now it has become the part of English as well. And now English has got another language, right? But still it didn't stop to evolve. In the 6th century, a saint, Saint Augustine, came here and started preaching Christianity to English. The languages that he used were Greek, Hebrew, and Latin. So this is the Greek language now, and it also became a part of English language. Like this. So how many languages are here now? The Latin, the German, and the Greek language, right? Later, there were some other invasions faced by the English people, like from the Vikings. So the language of Vikings, that was Latin, Scandinavian, and Old Norse, also mixed well with English. And now it was the time of another great invasion from the Normans. Normans were French people and they fought and ruled the English. Again, there was an exchange of language, and the French language was also absorbed by the English language. Now you can see that English language has evolved a lot. But what's left there? Is the speciality of English that it's still open to absorb words from other languages. These are some other languages like the language of the Middle East, the Far East, and the Southeast Asia, and they are now a part of English language. So the English language that we speak today is something like this, a mixture of languages. But why did I tell you all this? This is to make you understand that whenever you find any word that's not following the English spelling rules, don't get confused, don't get annoyed. Just keep it in your mind that it may not be a pure English word. That's why it's showing some deviations to the rule. Hope you have got it very well. Hope you have learned something new today. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.